Hello students, welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's session, in today's video, we are going to learn an interesting question of algebra which was asked in CAT 2024. There are three questions, quadratic questions are given, and all the three quadratic questions have one root common. There is a quadratic question, so every question has two roots, and all the three have one root in common, one negative root in common. We have to find out the value of 2m plus 3n. The equations are x square plus mx plus 9 equals to 0, x square plus nx plus 17 equals to 0, and x square plus m plus nx plus 35 is equals to 0. Now let's see how to solve this question. If we don't have the coefficient of x, so trying to solve this equation is difficult, but there is a relation that all the three equations has one root in common. But if we equate m and n, we'll get mx and nx. We have to eliminate m and n. So it can be done if we add the first equation and second equation and third equation we subtract. If we add the first and second, add the first equation and the second equation and subtract the third equation. So we'll get x square plus mx plus 9 plus x square plus nx plus 17. Now subtract this. So x square minus x square minus mx minus nx minus 35 is equals to 0. So what did we do? We added the two equations, first and second, and subtracted the third. This eliminated m and n both. And we got an equation in terms of x square. 9 and 17 is 26 minus 35, which is nothing but 9. X square minus 9. And solving this equation, x square minus 9, x square is equals to 9, x is equals to plus minus 3. Now the given condition was that the root which is common is negative. Here there are two roots, plus and minus 3. So minus 3 is the common root. Minus 3 is the common root. Put the value of minus 3 in the first and second equation, we'll get m and n individually. So if I take the first equation, x square plus mx plus 9, and if I put minus 3 here, so minus 3 square plus m into minus 3 plus 9 is equals to 0. That is plus 9 minus 3m plus 9 is equals to 0. So 3m is equals to 9 and 9, 18. M is equals to 6. And similarly, substituting the value of x in the second equation, x is minus 3, n into minus 3 plus 17. So 9 minus 3n plus 17 is equals to 0. 3n is equals to 26 and n is equals to 26 by 3. We have to calculate 2m plus 3n. The question was find the value of 2m plus 3n. So m is 6 and n is 26 by 3. This cancel out. 2 6 are 12 plus 26. And the sum of this two is 38. So the answer of this question is 38. Friends, this was an interesting question asked in CAT 2024, slot 1.